हाय वेलकम बैक टू लर्न विद अभिषेक। आज मैं बात करूंगा बीपीओ जॉब के बारे में। हाउ यू कैन ज्वाइन बीपीओ एंड व्हाट इज़ बीपीओ एंड व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड बाय द एचआर ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू। आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू अबाउट दैट। सो first of all, I would like to inform you what is BPO. BPO is a business process outsourcing. Okay, so it is an external service provider. That's why we called it BPO. हिंदी में बताता हूँ। सपोज़ अगर कोई इंडस्ट्री है और वो सपोज़ कोई कंपनी है और उसके पास कोई काम है और वो खुद से नहीं करना चाहता या अपने आप को उसमें बिज़ी नहीं रखना चाहता, वो कहीं और काम करना चाहता और ये काम किसी और से कराना चाहता हो, तो वो कंपनी कोई एक्सटर्नल सर्विस प्रोवाइडर या किसी कंपनी को ऑफ़र करते हैं अपने काम और उस काम को कोई अदर कंपनी के द्वारा कराते हैं। उसी को बीपीओ कहते हैं, बिजनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग। सो हाउ कैन यू ज्वाइन बीपीओ? आप कैसे बीपीओ को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो? यू मस्ट हैव अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इन योर हिंदी, इंग्लिश एंड अदर रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस। ओके, सो आपके पास अगर गुड लैंग्वेज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है तो आप बीपीओ को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। देर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ हाई एजुकेशन। यू सपोज़ आप 12th पास हो तो आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, 12th हो, ग्रेजुएट हो तो भी कर सकते हो। मस्ट हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड माइनर नॉलेज ऑफ common knowledge of computers. Okay, you must have common knowledge of computers. So how many rounds of interview will be there in the BPO? So it totally depends on company. So just in common ways there will be only 2 or 3 rounds of interview will be there. Okay, so first round will be your HR round, second round will be your operation round, and third round will be your client round. So and after that it might be there, it would be a version test or SHL test will be there, so I'll discuss it later. So first of all, I'll tell you about what are the questions asked by HR in first round that are given below. So what is BPO? As I told you, business process outsourcing. So again I'll tell you, BPO is a business process outsourcing. It is an external service provider and it provides service to the company. So this is known as BPO. So why, second question is, why do you want to join BPO? आप क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो BPO इंडस्ट्रीज़ को? आप अगर फ्रेशर हो या फिर वर्क कर रहे हो तो आपको आंसर करना होगा और गुड आंसर करेंगे इसमें, क्योंकि वो लोग ऑब्जर्व करते हैं क्यों आ रहे हो तुम इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करने के लिए। आपको इस प्रकार आंसर करना है। यू नीड टू आंसर इन दिस वे, I want to join BPO because it is the one of the growing industry in the world, and suppose if any time we can get job in this industry. Okay, so whenever we want to do work we can join BPO, and this type of opportunity is not provided by other industry, so it is good for me. And suppose जो बंदा अगर नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड से है, जिसने टेक्निकल एजुकेशन नहीं लिया है, लिटरेचर वगैरह रीड आउट किए हैं, तो वो बोल सकते हैं कि मैं नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, तो हमारा फील्ड ही यह है जिसके कारण मैं ज्वाइन करना चाहता हूँ। दिस इज़ माय फील्ड, सो आई वांट टू क्रिएट और मेक माय करियर इन दिस फील्ड। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नंबर थर्ड, व्हाट इज़ कस्टमर सर्विस? ये क्वेश्चन ज़्यादातर आपसे HR पूछते हैं, चाहे आप एक्सपीरियंस हो, फ्रेशर हो, डजेंट मैटर, दे विल आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, what is customer service and what is customer delight? This question will be asked by the HR and other people also. So you need to answer in this way. You need to say customer service is a process. Customer service is a process where we solve the queries of the customer and make customer delight. This is known as customer service. कस्टमर सर्विस वो होता है जहाँ पे हम कस्टमर की हेल्प करते हैं। सपोज़ हम लोग मान लेते हैं, सपोज़ हम लोग कस्टमर है, सपोज़ यूट्यूब की कस्टमर है हम लोग, और यूट्यूब पे वीडियो अपलोड कर रहे हैं लेकिन उसमें कुछ इश्यूज़ आता है तो हम लोग कस्टमर सपोर्ट को कांटेक्ट करते हैं, तो वो हेल्प हमारे करते हैं, और जब हेल्प करते हैं तो हम लोग खुश हो जाते हैं। तो सेम वर्क हम लोग को यहाँ पे करना होता है कस्टमर सपोर्ट में। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, वेयर डू यू वांट टू सी योर सेल्फ आफ्टर 3 or 5 years? कहाँ देखना चाहते हो इस इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, आपसे इस तरह का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, क्योंकि वो लोग ऑब्जर्व करेंगे आप कितने दिन के लिए आए हो या फिर क्या मोटो है आपका वर्क करने के पीछे। तो आपको अच्छे से आंसर करना है इन सारे क्वेश्चंस का। तो आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं कि सपोज इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम अ नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड, सो यू कैन से लाइक दैट, आई वांट टू ज्वाइन BPO, I want to see myself after 3 or 5 years as team leader post or AM post. There are several positions like that. Suppose if you will select as a agent or associate, customer support executive. After executive post, there will be lots of senior position will be there, like team leader, quality analyst, senior quality analyst, AM, assistant manager, senior manager, deputy manager, or project manager, then AVP, SDL, like that type of post in the BPO. So यू कैन आंसर लाइक दिस कि मैं ये बनना चाहता हूँ या AM बनना चाहता हूँ, TL बनना चाहता हूँ, आप कह सकते हो उस जगह पे। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन आता है आपका, व्हाट इज़ इनबाउंड कॉल। अगर आप एक्सपीरियंस हो या फिर फ्रेशर भी हो तो आपसे पूछा जा सकता है व्हाट इज़ इनबाउंड कॉल। सो यू नीड टू आंसर इन दिस वे, इनबाउंड कॉल वेयर वी हैव टू answers the call of the customer, that is known as inbound call. So, like some customer, if a customer is facing any type of issue, then they will call, and call will land on your telephone or something which will be provided by your company on your system. Then you will solve the queries of the customer. Okay, when customer calls you, that is known as inbound call. Okay, next, number 6. What is outbound call? What is outbound call? Outbound call where customer is not calling you, where you are calling to the customer or where you call to the customer. Suppose if a person has taken the loan from the bank and you ask to the customer to repay the loan or pay the installment, that time bank calls to the, or bank service provider calls to the customer, that is known as outbound call which calls which you do from your side to the customer is known as outbound calls. Next question, question number 7, that is your, what is blended process. What is blended process? So blended process is a process where you need to handle calls and mails both together, or suppose together or simultaneously, or suppose first you need to handle the calls, you need to provide the resolution over the call, and then you need to send some mails to the customer on their registered mail ID, that is known as blended process. So these are the questions which will be asked generally, note, yes, generally asked by the HR. Okay, these are the questions which will be asked by HR everywhere in the company, not only for single company. Where in BPO industry, suppose if you are going to join BPO industry, they will ask this type of question to you. Not even on in only HR round, it will also, these questions will be also asked by the operation round or client round also. So next, what is operation round? Suppose HR will be select you. Okay, you will be selected by HR for the several process like Amazon, Flipkart, some banking process like Punjab National Bank, Axis Bank, or Zomato food delivery. Okay, so these are known as process. uh, so for particular process, if HR select you for particular process, then second round will be conducted by the process staffs like operation round. So suppose you are selected for YouTube or Axis Bank, then Axis Bank manager come and take interview from you, that what do you know about Axis Bank, what is Axis Bank, what are our works. So you need to define that. After getting selection from the HR, or sorry, operation round, then somehow somebody, suppose after getting selection from the operation round, then you need to handle the client round, then you need to give the interview to the client. Okay, so then client will ask the same question to you, and suppose if you satisfy the client, then they will select you for the work. and these are the process. And nowadays we are all BPO industry is also taking the SHL or version test, which I have mentioned above. So what is version or what is SHL? So version test is nothing, just it is a grammar test, it where you need to give the test through online mode, and it will just check, version will check your communication skill, how you pronunciate words. Okay, and it will also ask you to write what is your typing speed, what is your grammar. It will also check your grammar, like it will, there will be fill in the blanks and you need to choose the appropriate words or verb there. So it will also check your grammar skills. So communication skills and grammar skills will be checked by the version test, it is an online test. So same thing is SHL, it is also a same thing. So it is done now. I hope you can understand and you would understand it. So thank you till now. Please follow and subscribe my channel.